Hey guys, today I'll be making beef chili in the Instant Pot, so let's get started. So what I'll be using today is 1 medium onion chopped, 1 green pepper chopped, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, this is optional, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 can of red beans, 1 can of black beans, 1 large can of crushed tomatoes, 1½ cup of vegetable broth, 1 kilogram of lean ground beef, and some salt to taste. So let's get started. So first I'm going to put the pot onto saute mode and then add the beef. Then I'm going to mix until the beef breaks up and turns brown. Then I'm going to add the garlic powder, the onions, and the green pepper. Then I'm going to mix it for a few minutes. Now I'll add the oil, the cumin powder, the red chili, and the tomato paste, and continue to mix it. Now I'm going to add the red beans, the black beans, the crushed tomato, the vegetable broth, and the salt. And then I'm going to mix it again. Then I'm going to place the lid and set the valve to sealing. And then I'm going to set the Instant Pot on manual for 18 minutes. Then I'm going to give it a quick release. Once the pin is dropped, you can open the pot. You can add some garnish if you'd like. And there you have it, a nice hot bowl of chili. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.